Hello everyone. Today I just want to talk about a particular page which is called Branding Your Experience Cloud Site's Login Page. Actually, I was reading this particular page and this particular section which is talking about dynamic branding. I was not able to understand. So just thought that whatever I come to know, I just wanted to share. So let's go ahead with me. So simply, if you go to the site, let's say one of my communities customer account portal, and here I have just gone to let me just go to that part again. So workspace and then workspace. If you go in administration and this particular login and registration sections is actually about your branding page. So whatever you change here, the color, if you just want to check here, just check anything. Okay, I'm not saving it. Just before that, I think I can just go to this particular page. So my login page standard looks like this. So if I just go ahead and save this branding and all, it will look like this. So all my button changes and mm, background change will reflect here. So I was actually uh, looking of this particular right frame URL, what could be and how can we change this. So what I've done is I have uploaded the image into static resource. So this is one of the images which I have put it. So what I will do, simply I will just take this name, and to show that what is the way we can simply go to the um org, and in this particular org, um, so if you can simply take your um, site URL, and then simply you can check with slash resource, and whatever your resource name is, you can just give it. So your site URL and then slash resource and then slash welcome will give you a dynamic image. So let's just save it, and if I go here and refresh this page, this particular image will show it here. But that is quite straightforward. But what I actually wanted to do is this particular dynamic URL, right? So dynamic URL, I was not able to understand how this will work. So I just tried the same thing and just sharing the same with you. So what you can do simply is that I have created two static images. One is called external calmness and second is called internal calmness. So what I want is like suppose I just want to change this image based on the user logins or login page. So how can I change this URL dynamically? So something is called XPID. So this is the way you can actually write it down. So what I'm just doing it, I'm just following the same thing. I'm going back to my right frame URL, and I am changing this welcome to expid, and this particular underscore calmness in my case. So you can give anything based on your image. You can pass this parameter. So your exp id is nothing but dynamic string which you can actually pass into your URL. That's why I actually uploaded two images called external calmness and two external internal calmness. So I'm just saving this changes, and let's go back and see what change we'll see. So by default it took external calmness image, so it does not take any parameter. So let's just pass this exp id equal to external. It is showing like this. Let's change this to internal. So now my image has changed. So your dynamic URL is nothing but the exp id which you are going to pass. Thanks for watching this. Have a nice day.